To create a Zap that connects Ticket Tailor to Google Sheets, first log into your Zapier account and click Create Zap. For the trigger, search for and select Ticket Tailor. Under Trigger Event, choose Order Created. This ensures the Zap runs every time someone places an order for tickets. Next, select your Ticket Tailor account in Zapier and test your trigger. Once connected, use a Zapier filter to enter the event ID so that you only get data added to the sheet for a specific event. If you want to do this for an event with multiple occurrences, you'll need to use the event series ID. Now, test the trigger to pull in sample data from Ticket Tailor. Because the sample data you used in the first test isn't associated with this event, you might not get any results. That's okay. Now, let's set up the action. Search for and select Google Sheets. For the action event, choose Create Spreadsheet Row. Next, connect your Google account and select the spreadsheet where you'd like to log the data. If you don't already have a spreadsheet, create one with columns and add headers for each column that you want. In the Setup fields, map the data from Ticket Tailor to the corresponding columns in your spreadsheet. Now it's time to test the action. Zapier will send sample data from your trigger to Google Sheets. Navigate back to Ticket Tailor and create a new test order to ensure the Zap is working correctly. Open your spreadsheet to confirm that the data has been transferred with all the correct details. If everything looks good, you're ready to publish your Zap.